And here we go, guys, out with the holiday buggy. It's got a few upgrades on it. It's got a ball diff, steel dog bones, oil filled shocks. It's running a 4,400 kV motor. You either love it or hate it, but I'm quite fond of it. It looks quite toy grade, but yeah, nice looking little buggy. Let's give it a run, see how it does. So yeah, the holiday buggy. All RCs are good as long as you put a good motor in it. I mean, look at that go. Yeah, boys. Nice front end grip on it as well. You don't see many holiday buggies driving along that fast. That 1970s beach buggy look about it. Yeah, boys, that was awesome. Yeah, wow. It's great when you run RCs that you haven't run for a while. Picking up stones, boys. Bit too much power in this one, I think. Yeah, that ball diff slips in a little bit. Ah, boys. Very fast. Very fast buggy this is, wow. I don't know what pinion's in it, but it's definitely boys, it's almost uncontrollable. How fast do you reckon that's going, guys? Awesome, that back end squatting down with all that power. I predict that we're going to break the body on this because we're going to send it up the jumps in a minute. Awesome. Oh boys, that looks smart. It's a pity the fast attack vehicle isn't a bit better because I wouldn't mind one of them. Oh boy, oh yeah boys, on the wheels. Stupidly fast. Wow. Get the jump out of it. Oh boys. We're gonna break that body if we do that. Oh yeah, loving it. That back end proper beds down once the power kicks in. Awesome speed. It's what you want out of a Tamiya. Max power. We actually run our Tamiyas on this channel. Don't just have them looking pretty on the shelf. It's what they're built for. Find that hard to get it going. Oh yeah. Gotta apply the throttle gently. Controlled chaos. Great having a hard body on this because you can just run it really hard. The only weak point on it is them pillars for the roof. So this is kind of like a second version of the holiday buggy. I'm not sure what chassis the original holiday buggy was on. Yeah, awesome. I think this comes with a little motor in it as well. I think it comes with like a 340 motor, I'm not too sure. But the gearbox on these is pretty pretty tough gearboxes on these DTO2s and DTO3. Awesome, I enjoyed that powerful, stupidly powerful two-wheel drive Tamiya. What a better way to spend your day off, running some crazy fast Tamiya holiday buggy, guys. Yep, so awesome. Loved it, loved the holiday buggy. Bit of Marmite, you either love it or you hate it, but yeah, I always enjoy running this car. As always, guys, thanks very much for tuning in. I shall see you in the next one. Oh yeah.